To do the tabby weave, you're going to need to take your strip of paper and you want to go through all of these warps. The areas that go up and down like this, that split apart, those are the warps. And I want to weave my strip of paper through it. So to start my tabby weave, I want to go over this first one. We'll go over it. And then I want to go under this second one. So I'll pick it up, go under it. I'm going to go over the third one. And I want to go under that last one. That's all you have to do for that first row. Now, before I start my next row, I want to make sure that this strip of paper is all the way up to the top. So make sure you push it all the way up to the top of your loom there. You're ready for your next row. Now, like we talked about, the row that you're working on now needs to be opposite of the one you did before. So if this row, my white one, started with an over, that means my next row, which is red, is going to start with an under. So I need to go under the first warp. I need to go over the second one. I need to go under the third one. And then I'll go over the last one. And again, once you have the row done, push it up to the top. That's one way to check that you've got it done the right way, is if your two rows, the rows are touching at the corners. You can see they're only touching at the corner. I can tell if I did it the wrong way. If I go and do my weaving, I go over, under, over, under. Now, when I check it this time, if I push it all the way up, see how they're both touching on the same rows are both touching. Those are both over, those are both under because you can't see them. They shouldn't be touching on the whole side. They should only be touching on the corner. So that's an easy way to check. Also make sure you're not skipping any warps like that, where I skipped over right here. I should have went under, and here I should have went over. So make sure you're not skipping any of those warps. You can check your work every row that you make. And then when you're done, just push it up as high as you can. And that is the tabby weave.